Guys, magluto tayo ng salmon heads, guys. Ayan, tapos lagyan natin ng eggplant. So, guys, it's gonna be yummy and delicious. So, done. Yung let's eat. Tingnan nyo, guys. So yummy. Ang ating wild salmon fish heads. So, ayan, guys. Yung ulo ng salmon. So, thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye.